Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's Femi Olaniyan here, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can make money with copy trading on the Bybit platform. Now I won't be wasting too much of our time. I'll be going straight to the content of this video. Before I do that, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, don't forget to like this video. Thank you. Now, the first thing you need to know is that you need to create an account on Bybit, and if you don't have an account on Bybit, use the link in the description of this video to create an account on Bybit to get up to $400 bonus as a new user, or you can use my referral code in the description of this video while creating an account on Bybit. So I'm on my Bybit account, as you can see on the screen. The first thing you need to do is to go to where you have derivatives right here. So once you come to where you have derivatives right here, you scroll down to where you have copy trading, and then you open a copy trading page. Now, before I go into all the details of this copy trading, if you want to know how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on Bybit at a cheaper rate, I have a tutorial video on that. The link is in the description below, so you can check it out later. So as you can see on the screen, this is the copy trading page on Bybit. Now, what is copy trading all about? As you can see on the screen, the Bybit copy trading offers a simple and transparent way to follow trading strategies, making it a win-win experience for both seasoned traders and new to trading followers. Beginners can sync their trades with their selected principal traders to realize similar profit while only contributing 10% of their profit to principal traders as commission. Now, what this basically means is that on the Bybit copy trading platform, you get to copy the trades of a lot of professional traders to make profit, and you also give them 10% of the profit you make. So you don't have to do any work on your part. Yours is just to copy their strategy and their trades, make profit, and then they take 10% of that profit. And right here on the copy trading page, you can see that these are the different professional traders that you can copy right here. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can pick a professional trader to follow and make profit. Now, when picking the trader you want to follow, the first thing and the most important thing you need to check out for is the win rate. Now, if you check this person, you can see that this person has 50% 7-day win rate. This means that in the last 7 days, this person has won 50% of his trades. And if you check the 3-week win rate, is 72% right here. This means that this person has won 72% of all his trades in the last 3 weeks. And if you check the 7-day profit, this means that this is the profit this person has made in the last 7 days. This person has made $2,199 in the last 7 days. And the 7-day follower profit, so all his followers has made $53,000 as profit in the last 7 days. And you can see the number of trades. This person has done 255 trades. And you can see the number of total followers is 1,036 followers. But this person followers are full already, so you can't follow this person again. Now let's check this next person. This person is not yet full. This number of followers is not yet full right here. Now if we check the win rate, this person the last 7 days it is 36%, and the last 3 weeks it is 84%. Now personally for me, I will not advise that you go for someone with less than 90% win rate in the last 7 days and 3 weeks. So let's check for another person. So you can see this person has 100% win rate both in 7 days and the last 3 weeks. But this person, you can't follow this person. His followers are full already. And also you scroll down until you find the perfect person that you can follow. Now let's look at this person right here. If you look at the bottom side right here, you can see that this person has 100% win rate in the last 7 days and 100% win rate in the last 3 weeks. And also this person has done over 1,061 trades. So we can follow this person. Let's try and follow this person and see how it goes. So you tap on copy right here. If you want to follow someone, you tap on copy. So if you check at the top right corner of the screen right here, you see something called profit sharing 10%. So like I said earlier, when you win trades from anybody's trade, you give them 10% of the profit, not of the capital, of the profit. So after you've done that, you come here to where you have contract. So these are the different contracts that this person is trading and that you can also copy. Now let's say for example there are some contracts that you don't want to trade, or you don't want to copy. You unselect them. So for example, let me try and unselect some of these contracts right here. Maybe the ones I don't want to trade. I can just unselect them. You can pick everything, it doesn't matter, but you're the one that will pick the ones you want to trade yourself. So let's go with these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So with this 8 contract, so once you've selected the contract you want to copy, now this means that if this person is trading in any of these 8 contracts, you are going to be copying the person's trade. But if the person is trading in any of these unselected contracts, you will not be copying the trade. So I hope you understand that. Now the next thing is to select your trading strategy. So the first thing is your position mode. Your position mode is always in isolated. You don't need to change that. The next thing is to select the leverage you want to use, which is between 1 to 10. Now right here, I like the fact that you can use a leverage that is higher than 10, because personally for me too, I always advise every beginner not to use a leverage that is higher than 10. It is risky, especially for beginners. So I'm going to be using 5 for this video. So let's use 5x leverage. And the next thing is to enter your order cost. So I'm going to be picking, let's say, $50 as the order cost right here. So we are going to be using $50 to trade. And then the next thing is to pick your take profit and stop loss. So if you want to pick your take profit and stop loss, so you enter your take profit right here. So your take profit is the percentage at which you want to take profit. So let me put my take profit at 30%, and then my stop loss will be 10%. So I'm taking my profit when it gets to 30% profit, and stop loss will be when it gets to 10% loss. So you tap on confirm right there. And then the next thing is to see the available balance. So in my available balance right here for copy trading, I have 0 USDT. So if you want to transfer money, you come here to where you have transfer right here. You tap on transfer. And then you'll be transferring the crypto from your derivative account to your copy trading account. Now, let's say for example, you don't have any crypto yet on your account or on your Bybit account. You come here to where you have buy crypto, and you buy through the P2P platform, which is very, very easy. So right here is the P2P trading platform on Bybit, where you can buy and sell your cryptocurrencies. So you can decide to buy your USDT right here. So these are different people you can buy from. So let's say for example, you want to buy crypto from anyone here. Just pick the person you want to trade with. So you tap on buy USDT. So let's say you want to trade with this person. Tap on buy USDT, and then you enter the amount you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy crypto worth of, let's say, 30,000 Naira. So you can see the USDT you'll be receiving 42.4 USDT. And once you tap on buy right here, you will need to transfer the money to that person. And once the person confirms your payment, you receive the crypto in your wallet. Now, I have a step-by-step guide on how you can do this on Bybit, how you can buy, how you can transfer money, how you can also sell. So if you want to watch that, the link is in the description below. Now let's go back to our copy trading platform. So now I'm going to try and transfer money from my derivatives account to my copy trading account. So you come here and tap on transfer right here. And once you tap on transfer, you see from derivatives account to copy trading account. And right here, I will enter the amount I want to transfer. So I will transfer, let's say 50. Since it's 50, I want to use to trade. So I'll transfer 50 and tap on confirm. And then you can see I have 50 USDT right here. And the next thing is to tap on next. So it's going to show you the copy trading details right here, so you can confirm all the details. So you can see the position mode is isolated, the leverage is 5x, the order cost is 50 USDT, and your take profit and stop loss is 30% and 10%. Then you just tap on copy right here. So this is where you can see your copy trading details right here. So let's say for example, this person is making a trade right now. You're going to be seeing the details of the trade right here. You see the position, the entry price, order quantity, opened on, and the take profit and stop loss. And you see the unrealized P&L right here. And you want to see the past copy trades, you just tap on past copy trades right here. And you want to see the people you are following, you come here to where you have master traders. So you can see this is the person you are following right here. And also if you want to edit the strategy, you come here to where you have edit. You can see edit right here. You tap on edit and you can change the different strategies right here. Or let's say for example, you want to stop following this person, you want to stop copying this person's trades, you just come here and tap on cancel copy. Now you can copy more than one trader on Bybit. So let's say you want to copy another trader, you can go back and select the trader and put all the strategies and start following another trader. So you don't compulsorily have to follow just one trader. So you can follow multiple traders on the Bybit copy trading platform. So you can see that you don't have to do anything on your own part. Just to make sure that you select a very profitable trader to copy. So you don't have to do anything on your own part. Just copy the trades, make profit, and they take 10% of your profit and you enjoy the rest. That is just how you can use the copy trading platform on Bybit. Don't forget, if you want to buy and sell crypto via the P2P platform, check the link in the description of this video. I have a tutorial video on that. And if you have any question about the copy trading on Bybit, make sure you drop the questions in the comment section below. I will answer every question that I get. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.